In the ancient city of Babylon, a strong wind begins to stir, signaling the arrival of divine judgment as foretold in the prophecy of Jeremiah. As the prophecy unfolds, the people of Babylon tremble in fear, realizing that their once mighty empire is destined for destruction. The Lord raises up a foreign nation, a fierce army that will march against Babylon with strength and determination to execute his judgment. As the battle rages, the cries of the fallen echo throughout the city, a testament to the fulfillment of Jeremiah's prophecy. Amidst the chaos, a voice of lament arises, reminding the people of Babylon of their sins and the reasons for their impending doom. As the dust settles, the once great city becomes a desolate wasteland, echoing the words of Jeremiah that Babylon will never rise again. In a poignant reflection, the remnants of Babylon serve as a warning to nations, reminding them of the consequences of pride and rebellion against God. As people gather to recount the fall of Babylon, they find hope in the promise that God will eventually restore his people and bring justice to the world.